Hey YouTube, it's Justin. Today we are talking about the second quarter Napa Real Deals flyers. Alrighty, and then after we get done running through this magazine, I'll go show you what I bought. You know what I'm saying? Like, you guys know that Napa comes out with these Real Deal flyers. Alrighty, Napa's got some great shit, okay? It's behind a couple other things that I absolutely love, like my kid, and then, the wife, and then, Snap-on, Milwaukee, and then we got Napa. Okay, those are like the three places that I buy stuff from. Okay, and I love the Napa, Real Deals flyers because they got a lot of good deals in there if you're patient and wait. So we'll fucking thumb through this real quick. I also got the heavy duty flyer. We'll just buzz through that real fast, and then we'll go on also. Also, just to let you guys know, there is going to be a huge announcement about what's going on with this channel in the next couple months. Some things are happening that I did not expect, but it's all good. I'm sure that for the haters, keep on hating, because it's going to get ugly quick. It's going to get ugly. It's going to be ugly. I can't wait to see the look on your stupid faces. So anyway, let's get into the Napa Real Deal flyer here. Alrighty, we got the second quarter flyer. They have a lot of DeWalt stuff there because I think Napa has a deal with like Stanley and Mac or something, because you can buy Proto stuff from them. So the first page here, bunch of useless stuff. I did not buy anything. I don't need any impacts or anything like that. This adjustable push button hammer looks pretty sweet though. Did you see that? Look at that. Look at that. All right. Looks like Napa's coming out with their own tool storage, things like that. They get a stubby impact wrench, 346 foot-pounds. Alrighty, now this stuff over here looks interesting. It's like mats you can put on stuff. Maybe I'll have to look into that. Here is all your Carlisle sockets down here. Let's see if they got a 1-inch set. Looks like they go up to 3/4, but I need to get some 1-inch stuff. With that new Milwaukee 1-inch impact coming out, I got to get some shit for that, just so, we got it. Jet power tools, alright, air tools, all that stuff you can get from Napa. Here's the whole DeWalt section. Alright, they do stock Ingersoll Rand and stuff like that. I have bought a lot of stuff from Napa. They got toolboxes on sale and all that type of stuff. More Carlisle stuff. Now, sometimes you guys got to watch these Real Deal flyers because they change month to month, like on the deals. I'll show you something that I noticed. You want to get wrenches, all that stuff. Napa has everything. And 90% of the stuff they can get in one day. So you go in, you ask to order it. They'll look it up. They'll find the closest warehouse, and it'll be there the next day. See, you can order complete mechanics tool sets from Proto here. 15,000 bucks. Look at that motherfucker. Jesus Christ. You can get feeler blade sets for $3.99. Don't get ripped off on the Snap-on truck trying to buy them from there. A lot of this stuff that's on the tool trucks is, if it's like a rebranded product from Snap-on, you can get it at Napa for probably about 1/3 of the price. Just to let you guys know. Use that tool. You got, goddamn air compressors and all that shit. This isn't a bad deal. This is a big 3-phase fucking refrigerant dryer. Oh, I thought that was a compressor. 7.5 horse, 1,900 bucks. Here you go, 2,910 horse. Look at that. Fucking 3-phase, 460. Boy, that'll fucking draw some amps. So you can get good compressors and all that stuff. They do have, like, Eric O is using that Bosch scanner. I don't know if you guys seen that. I don't know if he got it from Napa, but I'm assuming he did. You know what I'm saying? A lot of that. This Can Do International. I'm not a scanner expert, but that looks like a That looks like a launch system. So they got that, you know. You got OB2, you know, fucking that type of bullshit. Bunch of jump starters this quarter. You know, a bunch of work lights and stuff. You know, they got a bunch of these cool work lights that Carlisle's got. They got that. You get your 3M fucking flapper disc there. 3M's about the best one I found on flapper disc. They seem to last the longest. You can get jet hydraulic presses. You know, you need a pallet jack. Get you one of those. You can buy Wilton vices from Napa. If you guys did not know, they are pricey. They hardly ever put them on sale. Like, let's see, yeah, the Tradesman's 9s. That's, you can get it on Amazon cheaper than you can get it there. And then you make Amazon pay that. So here's the thing that I'm talking about. So this quarter, this is $1,219. Last quarter, this was like $1,400. And you can see it's in, this is the heavy duty truck flyer here. You know, this is where I bought, when people ask where I get all my fluid control systems that I got, it all came from Napa, right here. $8.99. This is what I bought right there. You can see right here, it's $14.69. But Napa has all big truck parts. You know, you can get bolts and all that stuff. You know, if you don't want to use OEM stuff, they have pretty good. They have brake calipers, all that stuff. Now, on the disc brake stuff, like on the big trucks, I was told don't run the remanufactured ones. They kind of have problems with them. But, you know, you need backup alarms, weather seals. I mean, Napa has about everything, you know. So, you know, that's a good price on that jack. I like this tire dolly. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can get a fluid primer. I don't know what the hell that is. This is where I bought that 70-ton work press, 75-ton. For $39.99. I bought that for $3,200 when it was on sale last year. So I keep an eye on these things. You know, you want to get lifts. I mean, again, I don't know what good lifts are, you know. I don't know all this stuff. I'm sure they're like bin pack or fucking, I'm sure there's like a high dollar one, you know. Let's see. Oh, these lifts ain't as bad. $10,000 for $3,500. That ain't too fucking bad, you know, for a 2-post. I thought these things were like $30,000. So, you know, you can get these Molly ones. These look like, them are rebranded fucking gray manufacturing ones, it looks like. Man, that's only $41,000. That's way cheaper than the gray manufacturing ones. You know. You can get tire balancers, all that crap. I'm thinking about getting this portable step for the big truck. I think I need that. See, here's a 3-stage 50-ton service jack. You know what I'm saying? They got that. If you want to get a heavy-duty tire balancer, look at that fucking son of a bitch. $13,000. Holy shit. You got to be mounting a lot of tires. That's more than like a one-man shop there. All right. Now we're going to get into like AC machines. Now, these mastercool ones down here, if they look familiar, these are exactly who makes the Snap-on ones right here. Okay, so you can get any type of, you know, you can get the 1, 2, 3, 4, YF, Wazoo, motherfucker. They got all that shit. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. But that's just a quick browse of the thing. I'm thinking about getting these grip mats. Quick browse of the Napa Real Deals flyer. It's good through June 30, 2019. So now let's go check out what I got this quarter from Napa and the Real Deals flyer catalog. Like I said, I ordered this stuff Monday, and Wednesday morning I picked it all up. Napa's great. I love Napa Fred. I'll just give you a hint. I had to pass this. You know what I'm saying? So, a lot of you people might know what this is, but, you know, I had to pass that. Let's get out of my office. You know, just getting ready for the asphalt season to start, fellas. It's going to be here before you know it. and all that stuff. So we should be good. Also, quick side note, last Sunday, I was working on a truck and lifted the bed to grease it, and then drove out and forgot to fucking put the bed down a little bit, and they just got done fixing. We got a brand new lift motor. I will tell you, the positives is a lot more quieter than the old one. So the first thing I got is, you see that 50-ton service jack. There is the Carlisle part number. Alrighty, the next thing I bought is a Carlisle creeper. I got another creeper on order. I'm going to try to do like a creeper video because I got two creepers. One is really good. The other one is shitty, so I wanted to try this out. And then also, I bought this stool. Look at this fucking thing. You know, I like to have the backrest and all that stuff. Be big chillin'. You know, when you're doing brakes or something, and then all your shit's down in there. I like these stools. You know, you never know. So, the next thing I bought is, it's called a valve core remover. This is for AC systems. So we'll take this here because I have a brand new truck that this is leaking. So I got to figure out how this works. But this is supposed to work, that you can take the valve core out with having nothing, you know, with having something where you don't lose any Freon. But I have to read the instructions. I don't know how that works. Alrighty, another thing I bought is this like Lincoln power grease adapter. I wanted to try this one to see if it's just as good as the Lock and Lube, but it's a little big than what I thought. I also bought some extra gauges here. These are the premium, how you hook up the stuff, and then I got O-rings. And then Napa sells this kit, okay? What this kit is a complete AC system O-ring fucking kit. I mean, look at that. You get all the O-rings. Okay, this thing was like 200 bucks. Okay, if you have a service shop and you ain't got this, I'm gonna call you an idiot. But look at all this stuff. It's got all different types of O-rings and all that stuff. You know, I kind of like this thing. It's just nice to have here in the shop, because once you start working on something, it sucks to fucking get yourself cleaned up, drive down to the fucking store and all that stuff, and then if you run out of them, you just write down the serial number, go into Napa and say, give me a fucking dozen of these fuckers, you know. You got extra caps in case you lose them. You got every different like valve core system. So, you know, with the summer coming up and we got these new trucks, it doesn't necessarily mean that, you know, you could get an O-ring leaking and then you lose all your Freon and then the driver bitches about not having air conditioning. Like, let me tell you, drivers will put up with a lot. No AC, they will not drive the truck. So, just to let you fellow truck owners out there know. Okay, now, for the piece de resistance or whatever, bam! I bought an AC machine because with these new trucks, I wanted to start doing stuff 100% right. The old gauge system, you know, you could never tell how much you put in there, and then the fucking AC would be like kind of fucked up and all that shit. So I bought the mastercool Commander 2000 series. It's a recovery machine. Alrighty, but what I do need help with is, if anybody knows what type of oil Peterbilt dump trucks use, let me know, and what type of dye I should put in there. If you guys could help me out, because I have no clue what the fuck, you know, this is. I got where the used oil goes. I know you got to put new oil back in it to make the compressor last, and then you could put some type of dye in there, but this thing automatically injects, fucking does everything. It's 100% automatic, okay? And like I said, this is the same thing as the Snap-on one. Don't let your Snap-on rep bullshit you. It may have a little bit of, you know, like Snap-on Wazoo, but this screen is all the same. It just says Snap-on instead of mastercool. How it fucking works is exactly the fucking same. I'm not paying no $9,000 for a red one when I bleed blue, okay? And this one is blue and a hell of a lot cheaper. Like I said, I paid $3 grand for this thing. So I'm certified to do air conditioning work. I took the test this morning, got a 92, so I'm good on that. And you know, this is the AC machine. I'm also going to do a video on kind of how to use this thing because I'm kind of learning as I go. I'm going to show you, so if you guys ever buy one of these, you know, fellow truckers out there, you know how to like get it set up and stuff. It has an instruction manual in the speaker and it'll tell you fucking everything. It's like Wi-Fi connected. This thing is fucking double throwdown. So, you know, she looks better than a fucking skinned cat, but you know, it's got a cover and stuff I'm going to put on it, but that's the AC machine that I bought. You know, because we're trying to do stuff right here at Justin Sturgill Truck. I mean, you spend $230,000 on a dump truck, at least you can do is try to take care of it while you own it and fix the things properly and all that stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do. Like I said, huge announcement coming with the channel shortly. You guys will know about that in due time. Let's see what else. There's a lot of stuff going on. You know, really looking forward to the asphalt season and all that stuff. You know, bunch of other shit. But like always, check out my Instagram page, Facebook, all that type of jazz. The Patreon account. Remember to use those Amazon links. Helps me buy shop supplies. This month, I bought those. So that's what we got going on. What else? Shit. Well, we talked about the garage door that I fucked up. Yeah, that was stupid. What else? Other than that, I think it's all good here. I'm also taking golf back up. A lot of people know that my stress level is through the roof because I own 10 dump trucks. I mean, what am I thinking? And so I need a hobby. So maybe we'll do some more golfing videos. I might do, I updated my golf bag and all that stuff. Had to get some stuff redone because I haven't played in about 3 years. And we're going to, you know, take up golf again. So, you know, like always, thanks for watching. And I got to fucking go.